Lights come on when the car is unlocked. The light will be on for about 30 seconds and will go out automatically. Get on the brake. Portable access activation. The seat will automatically move forward and the light will come on. The light will be on for about 30 seconds and will go out automatically. Hook up. The reversing light is on. The light will be on for about 30 seconds and will go out automatically. Disembarkation. Portable access enabled. The seat automatically moves back and the light comes on. The light will be on for about 30 seconds and will go out automatically. Get out of the car and lock it. Folding rear view mirror. Lamps are automatically extinguished. Insert the cocking plate 1 mm away and pry the housing upwards. Insert a cocking bar to lift the housing. Lights come on when the car is unlocked. Insert cocking plate to pry open the lower flap. Remove the lens from the inside by pressing it to the bottom toward the outside. Remove the lens motor. Remove plug. Insert the adapter bundle in the package. Threading and organizing the wiring harnesses. Plug in the motor. Align the clamps to lock the motor screws. Plug it in. Fasten the bottom shell. Remember to tuck the remaining wiring harness into the bottom case to avoid crushing the lens. Reset lens. Mirror housing is pressed down into place against the frame to complete the installation.